Hey guys, welcome back. I'm EDC. Sorry. This is the EDC Watches channel. Welcome to it. I'm the artist formerly known as the EDC Gunner, and switched my name, but yeah, I'm the sale guy. I like EDC. I actually wanted to do an EDC update, forgot about it, just remembered. I want to just catch up with you guys. Haven't seen you lately. I tried to sell some watches and it did not end well. Uh, and now I know some other people that are trying to sell some watches and it's not really going well for them. I think it's the market, it's recession and whatnot, but I want to talk about that a little bit later. Just want to give you an update. I went home, had a mini vacation. I had spent like 10 days at home with my family, and that was really great. I go every other weekend, I go visit, but yeah, spending 10 days in full was great. I want to also give you a little update regarding the job situation in Slovenia. I actually quit my job because I found different job, so I decided to quit this one. So I'm doing the deadline cancellation notice I'm doing right now. So I don't really care. I think I'm gonna go for the next week, or they gave me 2 months of cancellation notice, which is really not cool. So I'm gonna try to pull some stunts and go home a little bit more, spend some time before the new job. And these guys have been really cunts, so I don't really care. Anyways, tried to sell some watches and I'm wearing my Mido. I showed you the video. I did a review of this one. This is a beautiful dress watch. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. But of course, I tried to sell it. I'm a salesman. I'm a salesman by blood. I really do good. I'm good at sales. I can sell anything. And but I could not sell Mido. Oh, I didn't really pull out my best stops. I haven't listed it anywhere, so I guess it doesn't really count. But yeah, it's a beautiful dress watch. I've been wearing this. I brought this watch. Just wanted to enjoy it because it's such a beautiful dress watch to steer, and it seems simple enough on the video, but when you look at it at certain angles and this guilloche on the dial and the play of light and whatnot, I say I don't want to sell this. This is like a chameleon. You know, when the junkie is trying to sell his iguana or chameleon and he's listing it and he's the guy's asking what color is it, the questionnaire, and he says it's green, yeah, it's purple, oh, it's brown. I'm not selling it. I love it. Anyways, so yeah, I like this watch. I wanted to share with you what I learned. Actually, I've been looking the YouTube channel. I like to go somewhere and explore some smaller YouTube channels, not these big Rolex wankers channels. I love Rolex. I'm a Rolex wanker, but on and on about the same things. And I found the Nomad's Lens channel, and he was talking about Navitimer, and naturally I was interested. And he was mentioning some of the prices he bought it before. For example, he bought a Black Bay Tudor ETA for £2,000 and some of the other watches. And I said to myself, I did that also. And he was also doing a 20-year review of ownership of Navitimer, I think. I did that also. And but I sold it. I always wanted to trade up and it worked out well for me. But my biggest watch regrets have always been the things I've sold and the things I have not bought. And I never regret the things I bought. And yeah, And I sold some watches that I really cannot get back, not even for the similar price, not in the ballpark. There are thousands in difference. The prices have changed, of course, but yeah, you could buy a Black Bay or Pelagos for 2K, or you could buy many watches, and now they're retailing for 40 and more. And yeah, times are changing, and I decided I'm not gonna sell an Navy timer for now. Actually, I tried to buy the IWC, and the guy did not want to sell at the moment. He did not want to sell. I think it can be available or for some ridiculous price, but for the normal market price, he said, I don't think I'm gonna sell it. So I'm sorry, I'm not selling it. So I decided, yeah, I'm not selling my Navy timer as well because I don't want to lose it. And the moment I sell it, you cannot find it. I tend to give a really fair prices when I'm selling, competitive prices. I really do. And unfortunately, when you're buying it, it's not that easy. But I like to make the deal go through. I'm a naturally born salesman. I can sell anything. But this stopped me. I didn't want to sell the Breitling until I can secure a purchase of the IWC. So one in, one out. That's what I'm trying. But right now, I decided I'm not gonna sell. I'm not gonna sell the Mido as well. I'm just gonna keep it. I'm just gonna toss it in my box with my some other watches, or put it in a safe and forget about it. And yeah, I was wearing Navy timer since the new year started. It's almost 6 months now. Most of the time, most of the wrist time, with occasional switch with the moon watch and whatnot. But yeah, it gets boring after a while. So you need to put it aside. Do not sell it, which I did. I did that so many times. Just put it aside, set it aside, put it in a bank safe, and forget about it. Grab something else or buy something else. And if you cannot buy something without selling something, then maybe you should wait a little bit. I At least that's what I'm trying to tell myself and keep saying myself that, because I have so many watch regrets, and most of them are the ones I sold and the ones that I haven't bought. So yeah, I'm enjoying my Mido. So I left my Breitling back home, and I just decided I have a G-Shock and a Mido. G-Shock is my work watch when I work, and Mido is my fancy watch when I go with my mates from Slovenia. On the weekend, we go out, have a coffee, cigar, drink and stuff, and we talk watches, because I met few people. Slovenia is a little country, so there's no so many, but everything is tiny, and I think I like it for a living here. So regarding that, I think I'm gonna I passed the worst the first year, and then the shittiness, and now I'm thinking I'm planning building my future here. So I like it. It's small, it's peaceful, it's very safe country. That's one of the main reasons. Not to say that my home country is not safe. It's also safe. And I've been thinking about the watch robberies lately. First of all, in my area of the world, which is Balkans, there's not a lot of watch robberies like you see in London, or just someone's gonna take the Rolex off your wrist with a machete. First of all, there's too many fake watches around here, and usually thieves go to England to steal their watches, not ours. And thieves know better not to fuck with Balkans people, with Balkan dads or whatnot, because we are a bit more hardcore, and you come up with me with a machete. I want to stick my watch, even if it's Amido or G-Shock. You're not gonna get it. You're not gonna get it. You're gonna get that machete up your ass. So, yeah, that's how it is in our part of the world. We still do raise our man to be man, and yeah, to be man. I'm just trying to instill that in my boy, and I don't want to raise him to be a soft boy. Nothing wrong with being soft, but you need to be a dangerous, capable man in order to do good and to protect your family and the people you love. You need to be really dangerous. And yeah, I'm switching topics here, jumping around, but I really miss talking to you guys. And yeah, I've been more regular, but I really want to talk to you more. And if you have any watch questions, let's do Q&A and whatnot. Have any watch questions or any sorts of questions, I'm here. I'm gonna try for these 2 weeks, next 2 weeks, I'm gonna try to do more videos because I'm going on another vacation after that. So yeah, and a note to myself, I need to do an EDC video. See you guys.